So previously on, you don't know, tricky questions. Last week, guys, I tell them say, yo, I know nothing normal. Yo, me I tell the people them cuss me because them answer them question, yeah. Them no easy, them thing I bust up them brain. So right now it coming like, not even Allan now go one score. To me see it, only feel say him win or Kemoyaaa win. Because them say the challenge so hard. So right now, we just have to preview the thing and make us see what I go on. You see me? Last week. If you haven't watched that video, go and go watch it. At the time it's going off. Allan say cap.
Let me say.
Yeah.
Let me give up.
That's not right, Mayo.
I forgot to put my phone. Oh, you want to take over what I write this
So you say enough for the answer?
No. I mean, so fucking just tell me.
Yo,
It's
come on,
not S.H.A.R.E, you know, it's the right thing. So will Kemoyaaa feel to be in the competition so far?
I feel nice, but you have to go tap up my phone with credit card. I don't want to coupon.
People, which one of the viewers want to support Kemoyaaa with some credit? Please DM me so I can make she get she get some credit. You understand? So let's get back into the show. You don't know, you cannot use Google in the competition. Please no. Huh?
My mom just drink for my pepper.
We drink which pepper?
Oh, you mean drink which pepper?
I thought I give you a pepper.
You give me pepper.
You give me pepper, you're mad.
Watch my video.
Yeah, don't go here.
Because me know, I'm not giving you a pepper.
You give me pepper. I swear to God, you give me pepper.
Still what they
Look why I go and get up, me give you pepper.
Before she get up.
Take me for idiot.
You give me pepper.
Take me for idiot.
Watch back video and see.
Alright, back into the commission. I will me this ask a question. Allan, so this one goes to Kemoyaaa.
I feel I turn. So you should get it wrong, I should you drink it.
What can you feel in a room with that what? What can you feel in a room with that takes up no space?
What can I feel in a room that takes up no space?
The clue is, you want me to give a clue?
Yeah.
Alright, so the clue is, listen dearly, you know. The clue is, it doesn't take up space, but it can fill up the entire room. Right now, it full up the whole line.
Yeah.
Incorrect?
Oxygen.
You can answer.
No,
You
oxygen.
answer
No,
once.
no.
Oxygen.
You answer once.
Oxygen.
No.
Oxygen can be.
Here can full up the place, you know, that here oxygen, you know.
Oxygen full up the whole line the same way, you know, but that isn't the answer.
That's a one answer.
Alright, I'll take that as one answer, but
Yeah.
Allan,
answer.
why fear other answer? You can use back where Kemoyaaa just give me.
What full up the place?
Yeah.
The light.
Correct. Allan get one more point again.
I'm gonna get one too.
No,
you
you're not get that.
No.
You don't get that.
Oxygen full up in the door. Me not ask Christ. Oxygen full up in the light down in the same way. But I forget it too.
I want full up a place in the light, you see.
No,
Wait, Monsieur say Kemoyaaa did give me light, you know, because I see Kemoyaaa look on the light, you know, like I cheated outside.
I forget one too.
No, we can't give you a point, so unless a half point.
You have to give me half pint. I have to give me half of the pint.
Then I have to give half a pint when I tell you say my hand then.
No.
Oh, you
No.
mean?
No. I real foolish yesterday.
No, I'm just
because you can say you say left hand.
I don't know.
I don't try this.
You know what? Just don't give me no pint.
Alright, watch it now. Because I never drink the pepper when you say your left hand. So Kemoyaaa now go drink the pepper if you say like if you say oxygen. So this one question goes to Kemoyaaa to Allan. So my seas have no water, my mountains have no rock, and my land has no grass. What am I?
Well, my what? Read that back over, because
Me I say it in a poem.
Desert.
You like to try?
Yeah.
Anyway, answer.
Desert.
Incorrect.
I try to hear
Desert have mountains.
Read back over.
You ever see desert that mountain?
My seas. I'll give him one more chance.
Yeah.
Starting with Allan. My seas have no land. What me I chat say? My seas have no water. My mountains have no rock. And my land has no grass. What am I?
Give me a clue.
But the answer you look shake up still. So
Yeah, give me a clue.
What would I say clue? It's a paper. Can be a paper. Or it can be a plastic.
Paper.
Say it can be a paper, it can be a plastic.
A paper. You know say it can be a paper and it can be a
Alright, let's see the other part now.
Oh.
Let's see the other part now. It can be a paper, it can be a plastic. It can be round and it can be flat. What am I?
Map. We didn't go and sit down.
Like to try Kemoyaaa? Map.
How you get that?
Because you say map.
Oh, yes, I tell me map.
Alright, this one goes to Kemoyaaa once again in the show you don't know. How could all of your cousins have an aunt who is not your aunt?
How could all of my cousins have an aunt? It's not my aunt. Give me a clue.
Anybody?
This one.
Me a couple.
Alright, so hear the clue in a Jamaican style, you see me?
Me can't.
So
Weird.
you and this lady has a strong bloodline. That is all I can say. You give up?
No!
Right,
No!
move on to Allan?
Shouldn't give up. I think most of
So, no, him tell you.
Oh, if you tell him.
Him tell you, but soon.
Right,
You can't tell me not to see answer.
Me just look up me and say, like me and say, me want
You like to try, Allan?
Clue, you understand?
Wait, try.
Remember, so me can't cheat
Alright,
the game now.
Let me
because-
ask you a question. Where is ask a while ago?
How could all of your cousins have an aunt who is not your aunt? That
Alright.
question very, very easy.
Alright, me ask you one question. Me can answer something.
Answer the question.
For the auntie?
Look
My
at
cousin, the auntie?
As we say, the clue.
you and your cousin are a family by your mother side or your father side?
Listen, you know, it's a female.
Female.
You and this female have a strong bloodline. She is a female. Listen, you know, how could all of your cousins have an aunt who is not your aunt? Listen, you know, nothing.
Jesus
Carefully.
Christ. I saw time for me go now, because me can't take them question.
And it they've reached the hard part yet. Come on, man. Allan, try again, man. You did a try, no, so try, brother. Try harder. Ice King, come on.
What on do? Cousin aunt.
People see Kemoyaaa using Google.
No, I use Google before text me a text.
No, sir. Google, we see right there, so you see
No,
on the
text
screen,
me a
people.
text. See that text me a text.
People, want to say, Kemoyaaa at the competition now.
I text me that text for sure. Swear to God.
Or if you Google search it, I think you'll find the answer.
I pay for
Allan, China one. You did a try look while ago, you know, so I don't know why you're tapping.
May I ask you say?
You ask if for your father or your mother side.
Side,
But me tell her say she's a female and she
So
and
are
you.
your mother side?
You can me a get two or no. 3 different persons you can try out. 3 different persons.
Alright.
First person answer it get it correct.
Mm-hmm.
You have your grandmother, you have your great grandmother, and you have your mother.
Great
Choose
grandmother.
wisely. Incorrect.
Grandmother.
Incorrect.
Mother.
Incorrect. Come on, drink the
Hey,
paper.
Bambucker, you say you give it 3 your mother, or your great grandmother,
Yeah,
or your granny.
Listen. If you say your mother first, you would get it correct.
But some me say it.
No, you say
Mother
great
me say.
grandmother. No.
Grandmother.
And a mother me say.
Me, like I say grandmother.
Remember, say the camera
No,
roll back
me,
here. You say great grandmother, you know, Allan say grandmother. So I know. Remember, so me say you and this lady have a strong bloodline, you know, for a beginning, you know. So now your mother, man.
So,
Come, drink your paper, man.
Me and me do
So
a
wait,
strong
oh,
good
that-
neck, 'cause
yeah,
it
listen
makes. It will make
listen.
My father, my mother.
Listen now. So, oh, yeah, your cousin. Oh,
Remember say, a lady know your auntie, you know, or your mother. And then if you call your mother auntie, you gonna say, and them are your cousin.
Alright, give me him now.
I'm serious, Allan did not get it right when that's your father or your mother part, you know.
I'm up made 3. 4. 3.
So Allan Ice King and Kemoyaaa is on a tie. So we're going for our first commercial break the second commercial break at the moment. So we'll be right back, right here on DJ Bobajoe TV. Alright, you see, if Kemoyaaa win this challenge, you have to give Kemoyaaa $400 credit. Fee $500.
Yes.
But if Allan,
If Allan give me
alright, look now. Mr. If Allan win the commission, brother, Allan will pay you $500 for your roaster. But if Kemoyaaa win, you see that the $500, you would have to buy Kemoyaaa $400 credit with that $500.
It's nice.
Alright, so we get tonight. Boy competition so far, my brother.
I'm a good man.
You hold it out like a G, though.
Hold it out like a soldier, you don't know things.
So you feel say you win the competition,
What you
Kemoyaaa?
do that,
Female.
Allan, how you feel say you win
It's
it?
a must.
Because it's one up on the time, you know.
It's a must.
Allan nice man.
See how far I come from?
You see, say you start from bottom.
No, sir. Start from the base.
Oh, you start on the base.
Base.
So you feel say you get the whole of the 4 question them right.
Dog, cut that video, man.
You feel say you get the whole of the dog question them are correct. Like how you love for your puppy.
Yeah.
Allan, you need to more convincing yourself.
No, but you can't
What
see about no
about
phone.
As a winner, bro.
From video, man. From
Hey,
video.
that was.
You need to be more convincing.
Hey,
yourself.
let's post this now.
No, it's gonna be in the video. So guys, welcome back to the
I
commission.
said, relax, tell me, watch him.
My name is DJ Bobajoe. Alright, this part so this part of the competition will be starting with pretty girl Kemoyaaa. Please follow her on Instagram. Yeah.
Peppermint knows
Our
a road over
TikTok.
here, so.
So this part of the competition will be starting with pretty girl Kemoyaaa. So I need you to answer this. All 5 questions will be based on animal or related to animal.
Ready.
Dog on fall.
So if you get the answer correct, you get 3 points. If you get it incorrect, you don't get no points on at all.
No, I forget. If we get it half right, if we don't understand.
No, you're not getting no points if you get it half right. You have to get it full right. So, alright, you have to go very, very close. So a question for you, Kemoyaaa, is what animal grows down while it grows up?
Animal grows down. What animal grows down while it grows up?
Yeah.
Grows down. Bird.
Guys, I don't feel something to give her a point for this.
Yes.
You give her 1 point.
Alright.
It's a goose, and a goose is a bird.
Yeah.
1 point.
Oh no, you have to give me more 3 points because goose fly.
But you never said
Goose.
just-
No, you
no.
could have been anything.
The
But
challenge is.
we could have said parrot.
Remember, so me say you have to get the full points and we give you 1 point. Remember, say you say a bird, you know. You never say a goose. Alright, so.
Why they can't buy
No.
Copyright.
Alright, now for Allan Ice King. This one easy, you know, brother. So, remember this part of the video it was brought to you by
Fall.
Akim Fowl Farm. So, what animal is bad to play cards with?
Foul.
Incorrect.
Say it again.
Which animal is?
What animal is bad to play cards with? You can't answer.
Which animal?
You can't answer. Allan answer already and he lost. So I'm not get my points yet.
So what that?
So Kemoyaaa,
So what
your
that?
question
With
is
it.
a cheetah.
Cheetah?
Cheetah is the
But
fastest
could have
animal.
slept in or if you give me, would I get a
But I
point?
can't answer. So this one is for Kemoyaaa. What do you call a cow with a sense of humor?
The regular.
No, No.
Incorrect.
You have to give no.
You not go
What
close.
answer?
Laughing stock.
Laughing stock.
No, that doesn't feel full question. Because we call a call.
Now for Allan asking.
No
Listen.
comment.
What do you call a deer with no idea? Or no, incorrect. Come here, say. Shit, me have to go skip that. I answer. Me go call an every day now, but me already back home. What do you call a deer with no legs?
No idea.
Kemoyaaa, what the?
Give me if
No,
you
you
don't
can't.
know. If you don't know.
But if you don't get it
But you
correct,
can't.
but you can't answer for your
But him
question.
wouldn't
No,
know.
yeah,
And
man, more than know.
And skip that. Because he wouldn't know. Can take so long for
No,
answer.
he would have get it
Tell
incorrect.
me I can't tell him I know, man.
No, him lie.
I tell
If you not pay attention, you know, so you would have get it
I tell
right.
you.
Yeah, and you would just please shut up. Sure.
Alright, listen to this apart here. For Allan. What is more impressive than a talking dog? Guys, what do you feel saying?
What is more impressive? That means we can't say anything in that one again.
talking part.
No.
Incorrect.
Pride can't talk.
A spelling bee.
I be a fool, she asked me in my yacht.
Alright, so how much question am I going for you now? A two or three?
2, man.
Alright, so now
Yeah,
for a
for
third
sure.
question for Kemoyaaa.
See,
What
man,
animal is best at keeping time? This one is easy. It's easy. You can't talk, you answer. You know.
You know it?
You know it, Kemoyaaa. You know it.
Jesus Christ. You shouldn't be stop keeping time.
This animal, I'm not going to give you a clue. You can't give you a clue.
No, you have to give a clue.
No, I can't give you a clue.
No, you have to
This
give
is
one
an
clue.
individual question that I
No,
cannot
but you
give
have
no
to
clue.
give. No, you have to give a clue. No, stop, me see you.
It's very easy.
No, me not care. Give me a clue. Come on, answer that one.
I don't know which clue I can give you one too easy. If me get a clue, I answer you okay.
Come on, tell me.
Can't give man.
No, you must can give one clue.
How much animal you have here?
One.
Stephen answer?
What, dog? Dog is best of keeping time.
Become an insect.
No man, I get a clue. Let's see the clue. This animal can swim. The animal cannot talk. The animal can swim.
Fish.
The animal can run.
Me know.
Animal can swim.
Me know.
The animal understands human.
Me know.
Dog. Dog. Someone said it already before the
Because
clue.
me don't want it to come out so simple. That's why
Me
me
said it
So
already
around
before the
sitting you want
clue.
the
Me say yeah, run something you want. Me say I want me change my mind. Cause me say fish first. Me know. No, 8. Come get 1 pint.
That's 7.
7.
At 8, you just give me 1 pint for your question answer.
7.
That's 7.
Remember say 3 me the first, then the 8, I know that 3.
No. You did 3 first, then the 1.
Yeah.
And now 3. That are 7.
Yes. That's true.
Allan Ice King.
7.
I know you eat a lot of animals. Yeah. But this one should be a easy one. So Allan Ice King, why did the turkey cross the road twice? Why did the turkey cross the road twice?
I can ask. See one
You
question.
can the answer you consume this.
Me a clue.
So no clue I'm giving you, sir.
Go on then. No?
You consume this type of meat most of the time. So I want to know, why did the turkey cross the road twice? Tell me if you give up. Come on, you need to move for your 3 points now, Allan. Give me some clue, man.
You want different too.
I did 2 more
Me-
questions.
I will
They
clue
will
we
have
can
to do
give
2 more questions. They will do. Right, I will now.
Come on, now, Allan, a 5 question in us, sir.
Look on them.
Come on, now, Allan, Ice King.
You pass that one there, man.
Allan still stuck at 3.
I
Not
can't
chicken.
I try. But you couldn't wait, man.
You know you can't answer a feeling question.
You say you couldn't pass it over to me. Bumba.
To prove he was not a chicken. That I will
When
close.
I ask about turkey and Ghana chicken.
I'm thinking you for
We must say turkey and chicken. Alright, this one goes. This one is very easy for Kemoyaaa. What does an evil chicken lay?
Evil egg.
Bumbo clan. Similar, but you're right. Devil eggs.
Some right, so give him a 3 pints.
Come on, Allan. Need to move up, sir. That was your fourth question, right?
Yeah, yes,
So like so.
Alright, now for Allan asking. Alright. Me no say you have to get this right, you know. Me no say you have to get this right, you know. Cause I use a dog one, you know.
Talk us bad one.
Alright, listen. Why do you need music? Why do you need a license for a dog and not a cat? Jesus Christ, Allan, you can't. Remember, say, pick up a dog and yeah, now you're supposed to have a license. You know?
Yeah, because you bite people.
So you know the answer.
Yeah?
Why you need a license for dogs and not cats?
Because a cat don't want a license.
Incorrect, you know. I can't get answer.
What you mean you can't give me
Yeah,
an
if
answer?
them don't answer, forgive
You
me.
can't-
You
you
can't
can't.
give me.
No, me can't give me. You can't
If him
answer.
get
You
it
know.
wrong,
Can I say cats no?
Eh?
Cats
Alright,
now?
ready now.
cat name ask me
Alright.
that him say. And you can't give me him answer. You
You can't get it right.
And he can't give me question.
Because
so I
cats
answer.
can't drive. But dogs can't drive neither. So I don't know
I
where
be a
they
fuck.
are.
Yeah,
Be a
babe.
fuck.
Alright, now for
Mario.
Kemoyaaa, your final question.
I be a fool and she ask me the dog. A fool and she ask me my
But how dog can have license? Dog,
Then say you know so dog can't have license and puss can't have license. You come back to bumbuckler. Dog can't have license, man.
but me not look for you say cats can't bite.
So you know that me say.
No.
Alright,
see
Kemoyaaa,
some-
your question.
Watch
Instead
the video
car,
and
instead car cat name ask for license.
This one no look
Like
good.
cat can't ask for license.
Alright, listen. Kemoyaaa, your final question. What did the dog say when he sat on sandpaper?
Answer that no.
Proof.
Bumbo?
I say
Correct, you fuck.
that no look good. That no look good.
So I went out to out.
Me no know.
See that I went out to
Me no
out.
know.
Allan, your final
Get it
question,
right.
bro. Until know you don't get one.
Actual cheat.
No, alright. Remember, say I feel final question.
Alright.
Kill people.
What do you call, listen now, Ice King, what do you call a deer with no eyes and no legs? Please focus on the answer because think before you talk, because at this section now,
I may I win that
every
one.
wrong answer, you lose a point.
I may I win.
No.
I may I win that one, man.
Every incorrect answer, you lose a point like school
I'm not time
child.
for the one part
No,
two.
man, make it just do that one. Make it. All right.
How much question in this?
10.
You can't tell us yet.
You see, I'm going more than 4.
Alright, just
Me
come.
need a timekeeper. So,
Need
yeah.
a timekeeper. Let me start the time.
So look at the prayer now. Person will be asked the question now, and the first person will fi answer. What would I say? Like school chance, would I
After
press
the
like
buzzer.
a buzzer?
Yeah.
Like would I hit the buzzer? That the person
If you hit the buzzer and you don't know if you answer time up on you.
Alright, so when you knock
lose a
right or
point.
so, when you
Hey.
no, or just knock in front of you or something. Just knock something. You see what I say? Knock your tail or something. No man, you can't knock the camera, brother.
No, tap me and then knock me.
How we city you come from?
Tap me and then
So ready right now. So this is the hard part. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If your answer is incorrect, you lose a point. If your answer and the answer is incorrect, you win 5 points.
Alright, so.
You get what I'm saying?
And if my answer, and if we don't answer, I'm still not losing point.
If your answer and the answer is incorrect, you lose a point. If you answer and the answer is correct, you'll win 5 points.
Yeah, you don't say for answer and the answer is incorrect, we win 5 points.
No, that is not what I said.
But,
Listen.
and it, at 2 times he said, you know, 2 times he said.
Me say, if you answer the answer and it's incorrect, you lose a point. If you answer and it's correct, you win 5 points. You get me answer?
Alright, go on, you know.
And if we don't feel for answer, because if we don't do it,
If you don't answer, you don't win a point and you don't lose a point.
Alright.
Remember, if you have the answer, you hit the table or something. That's what I say. So let's begin. This one goes. I turn around once. What is out will not get in. I turn around again. What is in will not get out. What am I?
Door.
Incorrect.
Well,
And the yes! What a boy! So what a TJ?
You like to try?
no.
What a TJ?
Key.
Oh, so you said key we pull out a door and I can pull inside?
No man, we not talk about no door key, we are talk about.
No man, that not sound good.
Alright, this one goes. I am often running yet I have no legs. You need me but I don't need you. What am I?
I'm often running yet I have no legs. You need me, but I don't need you.
But you need me but I don't need you. What am I?
Answer that too. So then come lose one.
Alright, so if I have 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3,
More here.
4, 5.
Yeah, more here.
Water.
Come to me, man.
Alright, the other one goes. What moves without seeing and cries without eyes?
Ear.
Incorrect again.
You never hear Breeze a cry. You never hear Breeze a cry. You never hear Breeze a cry, CJ.
You're wrong.
Repeat that question. They come. Let mommy come tip up.
What moves without seeing and cries without eyes?
See.
You can't answer Allan.
No.
It's your point.
Give me a clue.
You can't give no clue neither.
You have to
This
give
is
one
the
clue.
rough part of the
I
challenge.
told that me, I won that me there.
1 point. You must say you can't win them.
And then me I said 2. I want you to tell me. I never visit more. I lose the point.
Yeah, I won. Remember I won.
No, me I said 2 answer.
1 answer you can't give. The
One.
first
Me-
one I'll count.
Me I said 2 of them in one line there.
The first one I'll count.
Say it to her one time.
Me I
So
said
say
2.
it then,
No,
say
me I said 2 of them one
Say
time.
it.
So you have to give me my 5 points.
No?
Suppose you get them
Alright,
right.
can I answer? Alright, I'll skip then. Alright, this one
So
goes.
tell me answer before you move.
A cloud.
Good thing 7 days said out.
What did I say?
River.
You ever see River cry? Alright, so
Why
why did the girl
You
throw...
never fall in it.
Listen. Why did the girl throw a stick of butter out of her window?
What?
No, I'll skip that. No.
Yeah.
Because I want to know someone sensible.
What
What flies... Listen. What flies without eyes and cries without eyes?
What flies without eye and cry without eye? What flies without...
Easiest one this far under there.
What cries without eye and fly with eyes?
Flies without eyes.
Breeze. Oh,
Rain.
Me no licky buzzer yet.
Rain. Rain.
Yeah. Lose.
Nah, that
No.
It's a cloud, brother, again.
Give much time, but me suppose can't get a half question without that.
Cloud.
Wait,
This
talk
is the
to
answer.
No,
you know?
that real different.
Wanna listen?
Shut up. Me talk to Siri.
Siri.
Siri. What the question?
Hey Siri,
What the question?
what flies without eyes and cries without eyes? Yeah. A cloud again. This get to see the answer. I wanna-
Siri. What cries without eye and fly without eyes?
Because nobody like it.
See, we don't understand that, man.
Hey Siri, what cries without eyes and flies without eyes?
Siri, what cries without eyes and fly?
Without eyes.
What flies without eyes and cries? Jesus Christ, stop.
I ain't gonna run, bro.
Hey boy, I'm tell you suck out, hey boy. Tell you suck out the girl, you know.
Man,
What's
man.
that? Come here, lose.
Skip that.
Skip that.
Right, this lose one of our points. So this one goes to anybody. You can easily touch me but not see me. You can throw me out but never away. What am I?
You can touch me,
But not see me.
but can I see you?
May I give you a clue? This is a body part.
A body part.
Yeah.
Why you can
Yeah.
touch me,
But you
but
can't see
can't
me.
see
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
You can throw me away, but
never
not
go
far.
away. Where is it? Not far and now go away.
Never away. It's a body part.
This part of body.
Him can.
You can't tell that.
Can't
If
touch
me-
me,
if
but
me-
you cannot see me.
Me no want to play foolish way to say.
That one.
You can touch me but cannot see me. You can throw me away not far. Which papa me can throw away?
That more I know. That more I
Which
know.
papa you can't see?
But think of me, you know?
The more see.
This for your friend.
We mount part of the place by you can't see.
Me not sure. Me never said it. When it down, me can. Bumbo clad. My foot bottom.
You can't see your foot
You
bottom.
can't see your foot bottom of it.
No, me can't see it. Me stand up, me can't see my foot
Never say no
bottom.
down the the buzzer, you know, so I can't tell you if you're right or incorrect, you know.
We keep on saying.
Your back. Your back. You can't see your back.
No, down the the
Where's
buzzer.
a while ago?
I say no down the buzzer.
No, where's a while ago?
You can easily touch me, but not see me.
Your back.
You can throw me away, but never. You can throw me out, but never away.
Yeah.
You can't touch your back, man, but you can't see your back.
And you can't fling away your back. I must
Where are the
your
instances?
foot bottom, but me no want to lick it. What's
Come
that?
on, hit the buzzer, hit the buzzer. And the audience, please shut the.
Oh, I'm afraid.
A phone is to tell them.
Jesus Christ, more deep, I don't want it.
Some people can't see
How
them
much
back.
pint him out?
One.
One,
Are you there boy level?
I want pint him out left back?
Yes.
Lie.
one single pint.
You know your motor them man and get one.
Alright, let's go on more pints.
Yeah,
Foot bottom.
incorrect. You're back. I show you see your phone.
Me not see phone. Yes, me I look on the phone.
No.
Me
Well,
look
me
on
throw
the
your
phone,
back.
but- but me look on
You can't see your back.
Oh, you mean me can't see me back?
Try it, look by your back.
I was from me.
You my back that me look on.
You can't show
You
your
can't see whatever.
You can't show. Oh, you mean me can't
Come,
see
next
my back?
question.
But one-
Six.
one-
So,
You can't see whatever.
Ready?
Remember your shoulder different from your back, you know.
But you can't see your
listen.
back.
What has keys but no locks? Space but no room. You can enter but you can exit. This one is simple. Simple,
have-
very simple.
But have keys, but
May I give you a clue? What I'm talking about is in this place.
When you say have?
What
Repeat
has
it.
keys but no locks? Space but no room. You can enter but you can exit.
And you say in a place, huh? Remember?
We can put things in there.
You can enter things.
Cupboard.
Incorrect.
No!
Alan, you like to try?
Wait, hold on.
You have to try.
Eh?
Feel like you have to try.
You feel like me if you try? Where you say?
Shelf.
No. You
Wait,
can't
man.
tell us still. One time you can answer.
Where you say? You say? You can.
Bumbleclad. Give me one more try.
Can't get no try. Your time gone. Alan. 5 seconds. 1.
Where you say a while ago? Where you say a while ago? Repeat
Two.
yourself. Repeat yourself. Repeat yourself.
Three.
What
Repeat
has
yourself.
Four.
Repeat yourself.
Five.
And then you count. And then you
Done.
count.
What has keys but no locks?
Eh?
Space but no enter. No space but no room. You can enter but you can't exit.
Yeah, me not answer like I'm afraid for me one gun, you know. Me a killer.
No,
Me not.
no answer.
So you say you pass it?
Yeah. Roof. Still, but me a pass. Me pass it still.
You know it's buzzer.
Pass it.
Alright. A keyboard.
Pay fuck.
My phone is
Keys.
phone have keyboard.
Watch advertisement.
Wait.
Remember say a keyboard have enter, you have space button.
But you're not that about button.
No, that me I say.
See you like your phone.
That is not a clue.
Hey.
That is not a clue.
First
Clue
you
is-
say E now. Ask about 3 moments.
Alright.
Answer then 3.
So this one goes.
On the ground.
No, that's fine, one sensible one. Oh, I want an easy son, Allan. If you don't get this right,
Why no man?
you need to get a bit.
Right.
What has 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs?
1 egg, 1 head, 1 foot and 4 legs.
Have 4 legs.
1
What
foot.
has 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs?
1 head.
Table.
Table have it?
What do you mean?
But me don't know still because you need to bubble.
Table. If me get it wrong, I saw.
Incorrect. No, Allan is on 0 points.
A bit.
Because it look like Kemoyaaa is going
What,
to win the
what?
Hey
competition.
boy, I look on the
Four.
signal on the
Remember, so we
sign.
have one more question.
Hey boy, I look on the
Yeah?
signal sign.
Yeah? Yeah, listen, I have one question for myself after I have 4 questions each. What much? What have
What has 1 head, 1 foot, and 4 legs?
clue?
Can't give you no proof here.
Me know
Because
what.
it's very simple.
Me know what.
But you can't answer again.
Let me tell you.
Because you
1
come back
head. What? 1 head what?
1
1
foot
head.
and 4 legs.
And
Legs
did you?
or foot.
And point of note, the loser will have to drink the back of pepper.
You're mad, Bob. You're
No,
mad,
wait,
man.
wait,
You're mad.
No, that's how it is.
But in there say that.
No, in this set, no,
You never know.
Me not drink that because I don't know about that.
That's why you
No,
see you
no,
not drink no
no,
pepper
that's
now.
it. Listen,
Because
I wouldn't know about that.
No,
You
but
must be
I mean that tell us to stay one time that give the rules.
Me not drink that.
What of 1
You never
head?
know.
What? 1 head?
Man, guess man.
1 head,
Yeah.
1 foot, and 4 legs.
1 head, 1 foot and 4 legs. 1 head, 1 foot and 4 legs.
That
Yeah.
no I know.
1
Foot-
head,
foot,
1
foot and legs, no,
and
same thing.
4 legs.
English someone else.
They did.
One head.
This combination is very nice.
But sorry, can't go.
Alright, so skip
what
that. It's a bed.
Mom, that put my tip on my Ross tongue. What
But
I
family
do
say
my
bed
friends
with you,
to
know.
say.
So table now V.I.D.E.O. Table head.
A bit.
Which part you
Up my
ever
top
say that?
part.
You want the gear.
I never seen a table with no head.
You're mad,
Ready,
man.
next question. Let's say last question.
You're mad, man.
No man, a 10 question. I thought I reach 10.
No, yes, a 5.
No, me
No,
that's- I mean, that's-
individual one. Me that say. Look
I
what
mean,
I do.
sister man. I mean, sister man.
Call him like that.
Well, this will make it 6 questions.
I mean, tell us the table, you know, it's a table of.
Alright,
Head.
listen. This
Table
one
head.
is supposed to be the simplest
What
one.
you
I'll
mean?
start go easier now for one. Because I want to see Allan have a couple points.
Nobody can see
Can
me
you
after
can't,
that
you
points,
can't
man.
trouble the thing there, man.
How much me
0. And Kemoyaaa there, boy.
12, 8,
No,
11,
no.
10.
But they both 6.
10. 10 points. So what time
I'm
starts?
catch up back, you know.
What time starts and stops with an N?
What time start? What time start and end with a?
What time starts and stops with an N?
10. 10 o'clock.
I mean, you want to make you know what I made. So, ready.
10 o'clock.
What a thank you answer. I points thank you and Bill kind of no
Oh,
points to lose.
10 o'clock.
Correct. Kemoyaaa.
Repeat it back.
What time starts and stops at N or something like that?
Most 10 o'clock.
What time start?
I said done with N.
I'm done with N.
10.
What time start and done with N?
10.
Done with N. That's scares me afraid.
Answer man. At 10 a day.
I'm
gonna tell
done with N. I never let me try a 9.
Come on, you can't tell me if you don't give up. Me skip, me go to you, my question.
We
There,
skip that.
Go on to
Alright.
your question.
Oh,
So the
what
question,
is
the answer was noon. Alright, so the personal questions brought to you by yours truly, DJ Arjo. So these questions are known out of my head. So, what can you have for breakfast but not for lunch?
Tea.
Incorrect.
You don't have tea for breakfast.
What can I have for breakfast and not for lunch? I'm passing a car. I can't
Dinner.
What?
You can have dinner for breakfast, my yard.
Or if you have dinner for breakfast.
That me assure so
Overnight food.
Dinner. You can, Mister, what can you have for breakfast but not for lunch?
Oh, yes, 2 hours. Yes. Next question.
Alright, so this one goes. Alright. This one goes.
You know, goes to nobody. Just say.
Which
6 questions that now.
this artist comes from wrong. This artist comes from St. Thomas. He's one of the dancer artists. There are 3 of them. Please list all 3.
Yeah, list 1.
You have to list all 3 to get the 5 points.
Popcorn. Popcorn.
You know, so I know you know the buzzer though.
Wait, no? Popcorn. You know, say a fox ain't come from St. Thomas. Skilly Bang. I know the next 2. I know the next one.
She at artist.
Yes, you don't give
Yeah.
So you know like buzz and talk.
But Licky Buzz and Lick 2 already.
Alright.
I'm supposed to get a half pint.
I know popcorn.
You take buzzer now, man?
But we don't say that.
I know popcorn.
No, listen. Remember, I said that go
Oh,
on.
remember Acho, she Licky Buzz.
Licky Buzz already.
Me no say it buzzer.
I'll say two.
But you not complete.
So you
All 3 have to call.
No, I call 2, I must can get to me.
But so what you have to call all 3. If Allan call the whole 3, Allan get the 5 points.
Popcorn, Skill Me and Cartel.
Cartel no come from St. Thomas. I said catching him come
No,
from.
a boy ain't going to send catching Khalif.
No.
No, man, I'm big man.
Alright,
No.
so Kemoyaaa get 2 points for that.
So how much me get?
Skill me right.
I give Allan,
Yeah.
Allan 1 point because he Cartel come from Portmore, brother.
I know Cartel.
Allan, no.
Water
No. A water food in come from that poor person catching. You can't give 1 point for that except from St. Thomas.
But in call, I just show
No. You can't get a point for that.
you get 2 points.
Yeah.
I get
So we shall
1 point because
This now go good door.
popcorn and clipping.
I will that. I will.
Alright, so the 3 artists
I will.
would have come from the
Which artist?
Popcorn, Skillibeng, and Lila Ike.
I'm the man there in a dance hall, man.
Lila Ike, one of the biggest reggae artists. So,
A dance hall.
listen to this other personal one again.
Listen
Listen to this one.
I give you all my artists.
This
You know
artist
name.
is
Come
one
from.
of the baddest dancer artists. He's now incarcerated. Me don't know what to answer. Me don't know. But
No, alright.
this dancer artist
Different question.
was locked up in 2021.
Tell me.
No, happy for
Two of them get locked up and 1 come out. Critical, move your blood clot. Set before you.
People figure their points.
The whole hour we get it. 5. No man, nobody give no 5.
Bonus points. In case after the competition, me check it out.
But I check out
Yes,
no man.
Judge. Yes, Judge.
The question then
Allan,
don't
first
know.
answer, right?
I'm
I'm first knock. I'm first knock.
done.
No. Listen up.
I'm not crying. I'm sorry to some me now.
I'm first knock. but a she
Me
must
done.
answer.
Me done.
She
I swear
must
to God.
answer.
No, me done. No, me done.
That's why we can't give them the points because it's one of them answer cartel first.
Alright. We'll
Before
come
you
back.
get-
Alright,
before-
answer that one. Answer
So
that
don't
one.
let
Skip that
them
one.
get
Skip
the
that one.
answer.
Skip that one. Because my friend got around the corner, so skip that one.
No, but what
Me
you
not skip no, my answer.
no what you do though?
The point, the Boba get beat.
Remember say
Lock off, you can't have the camera for me when I'm missing up on the TV. You
No.
have to find a sheet, no sheet.
remember say
No,
remember say
my answer. I'm all gone calls for them. I said two of them and that one you come follow.
no remember say
I them stew.
when you call Vibes Cartel first you know. That I two of uno it was answer Vibes Cartel
But we
first.
wrong
you know.
this so.
But the me never done talking. You know. So no one get the points.
Nah,
Yo guys, I really love this competition. If you don't need we to do a part second for this.
No, you have to do this.
One part two.
Part 2 one and go nice.
No,
Yeah,
nah, you
so-
can't access on
Hey,
phone focus.
part two
Don't
of
leave
it,
it, yeah, man.
So you can't answer them. I wanna
Don't leave it,
answer.
yeah, man. Alright, give me a beer pepper for drink.
Alright, so
People saw me still win call me a lead. So you still have to go drink pepper. You still have to go
you
drink
can't cut it
pepper.
up. You can't cut it out, Allan. You can't cut it up. Allan, I
Make the argument and pepper around